Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Elegiant 10.2 inch selfie ring light. This is the model EGL02C. So here it is right here, and let's get straight into the review. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the EGL-02C selfie ring light by Elegiant. It is a 10.2 inch diameter light. It comes with a shutter button remote. It comes with another module or adapter, and it comes with this box telling the dimensions, the various characteristics and features, how to use it, and you also get a manual and maybe a customer service card. So now that we got these things aside, let's take a look at it. I've assembled this already. It comes with a three-legged tripod. The metal is fairly strong. The tripod itself, though, when you stand it up, stays in place fairly well. With the phone weight, it will be affected more, but the legs do come down fairly easy. They move pretty easily, so remember that when deciding about this. It can go this slow, or it can go as high as it can, but it won't be as stable. So overall, the tripod quality is alright. The actual light that screws onto this tripod is plastic, but it shouldn't matter. It's just a light. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break unless you drop it or something. This phone stand or holder that you have in the light, it's pretty wobbly and fairly flexible. And this is a ball and socket right here. And this ring light set comes with this ball and socket. This is actually, I think, for putting the light in, so you can have the light at different angles. Let's actually try it out. And so by doing that, you just unscrew, make sure the cords are out of the way. And so now you have a ball and socket for the light itself besides the phone. So now you can move your light in various directions, and you can tighten it with this hook right here. That tightens the ball, but it becomes tight when you tighten the screw. It tightens the ball and the plastic. So that is the ball and socket thing that you put in between the tripod and the light. You don't have to, but you can if you want. So overall, the quality isn't bad. The tripod could be a little sturdier or strong within the legs, but the quality of the build is pretty nice, and the plastic ring light isn't bad. Like I said, it's not going to break unless you put it under pressure of breaking or dropping it, stuff like that. Let's try putting our phone in this stand right here. So there's my phone right there. You'll have to take some refining and adjustments to make sure that you don't get the light or the ring itself in your picture, of course, but you can tilt it sideways and be okay depending on how you've set it up, and you can have it up and down, and you can even have it on the other side of the light so that you can see the camera recording and what's happening, but it might block some of the light that's coming to shine on your face. So you may be wondering, what are the controls and how does this plug in? Well, this comes with a USB cable that plugs in straight to the light. You can't unplug the cable from the light, but it comes with a USB that you can unplug from things. This will work with like a phone charger adapter that you plug in the wall. It can work if you plug it into a laptop or something. It can work with battery pack. But then up the cord you have your controls. On the top you have the plus button, which increases the light. The next one down is the mode button. It looks like a reloading icon. That is what changes the mode. There are 3 modes on here. There is cool, warm, and then there's a hybrid of those. And below that button there is a minus, which decreases the dimness. So this light has a couple of cool features. You can dim it, you can brighten it, and number 2, you can change the warmth, or some might say how cool it is. And there are 3 modes for that, like I said before. There's warm, cold, and there's a hybrid of both. And then finally the last button, which is the one on the bottom, is the power. So obviously we got to test out this light and see how well it looks. So let's go take a look at that. So right now it's on the coolest mode possible and it's at the full brightness. So let's see how low the brightness can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it can go down 10 clicks. Let's change the modes. So this is warm at the lowest. Let's go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's switch it to the hybrid mode and go down. Okay, so let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is the performance of the light in the 3 different modes with the various brightness levels. Okay, so now let's take a look at this remote. This remote is fairly plasticky, but it doesn't matter, it's just a remote. Now, what matters is that it works, but it is fairly plasticky. The buttons are loose and they rattle when you shake it, but there's a button for iOS and a button for Android for whatever reason. There's a light and there's a switch on the side that allows you to turn it on and off. So pushing it up turns it on, and there's a blue flashing light, and it stays blue, and it might turn off or go into different patterns. So we are going to connect it, and it should come up as EG shutter, so for Elegiant, and then shutter or shutter remote. Let's try it out. So we go to camera, and I'm going to press it right now, and as you can see I am not pressing the phone, and it works great. And you can also turn off the recording, or if you're doing a video, by pressing the button again. So great remote, it's nice they include it. So overall this isn't a bad light, it's fairly decent. It comes with different modes of color, like warm, cool, and hybrid. It has brightness level adjustments. It has a remote on the cord. It might be nice if they had a remote itself for one. The build quality of this isn't bad. In fact, it's pretty good. The only thing is, I wish it was a bit stronger in the legs, but it's fine like it is right now, and it should be fine if you just don't bump it or mess with it. The light itself is plastic and it's not bad, just don't drop it too much. And the stand isn't bad, but it is creaky, and maybe it could be a little more flexible / strong. But it's not bad. The lighting of this isn't bad either. It's nice, like I said, you have 3 different modes, plus you have the plussing and minusing of the brightness. So overall, not a bad light. It's a good light. I'm not unhappy with it. It's fine for me. It's a good product, so I think I would recommend this if you are in need of a ring light. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave it a like. Comment down below if you have any questions. Please subscribe if you like my content, and help me on the path to 1,000, guys. We're getting close to 500. Thanks. Goodbye.